Hi everyone. Today I'll be sketching actress Kalyani Priyadarshan from the movie poster of Lokah. I started sketching out the face shape and features, keeping the bold movie poster look in mind, and then add the scarf texture, necklace, and her distinctive hair highlights, which give the portrait more personality. With some color on the lips and the hair, the portrait comes to life, creating a poster style effect. Thank you for watching. If you like this sketch, don't forget to subscribe for more portrait art and movie inspired drawings.